kukhona ingxaki mamseke sizophila nazo ezingayona ingxaki ezingxaki right khona iproblem ezigudi awudifaka khona abanye bazingxaki eziright imamele kokani into eyenza imamele khona iproblem eziright manje sangabe bikho asoba right yabo bani they are not enemies, they are opposition, they oppose. Abamelene nentshenze ecaweni kodwa bahlezi beyigxeke into engakephi abahambe ecaweni bakhona just to oppose. Ziproblem ezinjani lezo zi-right ngoba njalo mayi-opposer zisinikeza i-clue ne-vision of their ideology. Abazo enemies abanye abantu ba-opposer thina baplane uNkulunkulu so that thina so-upgrade our level of thinking. Manje we cannot reach a climax of being better in terms of our perspective manje kuhamba ngaba khona ingxaki ezi-right ingxaki ezo-equipa thina to be better. Tell last week, ezansimbi siqukulwa babafowethu phaya ejimini. The moment siqukula besibhekezelele ubabona baye ophothelwa benjenje konke bayibekezela ngoba bekosiqhaqaqaqa nje. Abazalwa benjani. The problem good for bona. The problem is definable. Kalumule sene gobe ngibona lapho labona konke ijima incece wona. Kodwa uyabona ikhona into So the more